In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to manage cross-sheet references and cell links in Smartsheet, step by step. This is a powerful feature that lets you pull data from one sheet into another, which is incredibly useful for reporting, roll-ups, dashboards, and keeping multiple sheets in sync. If you've ever wanted to sum values from another sheet or link cells across different projects, this guide is exactly what you need. And before we dive in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and easy software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to app.smartsheet.com and log into your Smartsheet account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Smartsheet home screen. From here, click on Home in the left-hand navigation panel. This is where all of your workspaces, sheets, and recent items are organized. Next, select the sheet that you want to work with. This will be the sheet where you want to create the cross-sheet reference or cell link. Simply click on the sheet name to open it in grid view. Once the sheet loads, take a moment to identify the column and row where you want the result to appear. Now click directly on the cell where you want to insert the formula. This is important because Smartsheet formulas always live inside a specific cell. With the cell selected, start typing an equal sign followed by sum, so type equals sum. As you type, Smartsheet will automatically show you formula suggestions. Go ahead and click on Sum from the drop-down list to insert the function. At this point, Smartsheet is asking what range of cells you want to sum. Instead of selecting cells in the same sheet, we're going to reference another sheet. To do that, click on the option that says Reference Another Sheet. A new window will open showing a list of your available sheets. Select the sheet that contains the data you want to pull from. Then choose the specific column or range of cells you want to reference. Once you've selected the range, click Insert Reference. Smartsheet will now add that cross-sheet reference into your formula. Go ahead and close the parentheses to complete the sum formula, then press Enter on your keyboard. You'll now see the calculated result appear in the cell, pulling live data from the other sheet. Anytime the source data changes, this value will automatically update, which is one of the biggest advantages of using cross-sheet references. To manage or review your cross-sheet references later, you can open the Sheet menu and look for the Cross-Sheet References option. From there, you can see which sheets are being referenced, update them if needed, or remove them if they're no longer required. This helps keep your sheets organized and avoids broken formulas. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed a cross-sheet reference and cell link in Smartsheet. This technique is perfect for building summaries, tracking totals across projects, and keeping your data connected without manual updates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.